Hello everyone. Today's recipe is tasty whole fish fry tandoori fish. I took 2 medium-sized fish. Make sure to clean the fish very well. Squeeze 1 small lemon. Add salt to taste. Add turmeric powder. Mix the powder and fish very well. Add red chili powder, adjust your spice level. Cumin pepper powder and Garam Masala powder. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. One tablespoon curd. Add rice flour, 3 tablespoons. Add oil 1 tablespoon. Spread the masala evenly and put them in the split pot. I have fresh banana leaf. I put it in the air fryer. Arrange the fish in the air fryer. Set to 375 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Check after 7 minutes. It looks like this. Now flip over the fish. Set again for 375 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. I need to cook a little more minutes. So I set 400 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Wow, my fish is ready. Spicy, juicy fish is ready to eat. You can squeeze some lemon juice, eat and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and click the bell button.